Okay, we're gonna be going over this quick. It's very simple to set up. If you guys want this template, I'm giving this away for free in my community. What we're gonna be doing today is basically comprised of two parts: the N8n workflow for communicating with the agent, and then the make.com workflow for actually generating the logo. So again, this can be duplicated and set up to be linked up to your main agent if you guys already have this template, if you're a part of the community. So you can follow along, but just understand that we're replicating and making a simpler Telegram chatbot version with just a chat interface. So look, all we're gonna do is click add first step. We're just, like I said, we're just gonna do a simple chat trigger. So we have that. Just leave that there. Let's go ahead. Let's add an advanced AI. Click AI agent. Leave that here. We'll add the chat model, and we'll do OpenAI. Simple. Leave that there. We're not even gonna add memory to this model for now. Just keeping it simple for you guys. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making an HTTP tool. So let's go ahead and click this HTTP request tool, and now we're just going to connect this to our image generation make.com workflow. So let's give it a description real quick so the AI knows what it's going to be. Image logo generation tool. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we need to go here. And again, if you guys want this template as well, I'm giving this away for free in my community. All you got to do is click this. We're going to go ahead and click copy address to clipboard. Once we have this, we're gonna add that here. So on here, when you copy this, it's gonna tell you to basically create another webhook. So in doing so, you're gonna follow these steps closely. You're gonna click edit, or when you set this up, make sure you do show advanced options and you choose this data structure option here. Create a new one if you don't have one. And basically what you're gonna want to do is add just something like a topic. I just named it topic, and then it's gonna be the type text. That's all you need is a topic with the name. You need an entry with the name topic, and then just a type text. That's it. Click save, and you're good. So now what we're gonna do is go here. We're gonna do send body using fields below, and we'll say topic, and we'll leave it by model and is required. So basically the AI is going to fill that out for us. So that's just going to basically allow our AI to send the instructions, send the prompt through here. So let's say give detailed prompt. So that's all we need to do right there. We'll say go here, we'll click add option, we'll click system message here. You are a helpful assistant that generates stylish logos. Okay, that's easy. And you can rename this to keep it organized. Say logo tool. Rename. That's it. Everything else I believe is done. Let's test this step, make sure everything's working good. So let's test this. Chat generate me a logo for a car racing business using red, white, and black background. Okay. Sometimes again you'll get these chat errors. So when you do, what you want to do is just, I'm about to just copy this just in case. But I'll sometimes just repost a message and you see it went through this time. Okay, hold on. We had an error here. Okay, the issue is we did a get. We want to do a post here. Let's try that one more time. Now it's running through here. And now we can go ahead. It's running through here. We can't see it because we didn't click the test button, but it's basically running through and using this logo generation tool. It's about to return a logo to us. So as we can see, it's done now. Let's see what we got back. Just gave us a link. Awesome. So this is the logo we got back. It's cool. If we gave it more details, it would have been better, but that's a cool little logo. So now let's try it one more time, and I'm going to show you guys how it actually works through the make automation by clicking run once. So when you do this, you'll be able to see. Okay, what I'm about to do is just submit in, generate me a stylish mascot logo of a racing car with a checkered flag behind it and a black background. So now we're going to run that. It's running that. Now it's running that tool. We can go ahead and see here. We go to the make workflow. It just came in, sent the request. Now it's triggering basically a request to Hugging Face. Hugging Face. So it's triggering a request to Hugging Face. I'm going to show you guys really quick how to set up Hugging Face and get your API key to make sure this node works correctly. Once you have that done, it's going to ImageBB and it's uploading there to basically giving you an online hosted link that is adding it to an Airtable database. This is temporary and this is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. But me personally, I like storing my stuff in a database. I'll make another tutorial on that in the future. Webhooks. This is just returning the information back to the API. This is just returning the information back to the AI agent, so we'll have it here. So basically we'll come back, we'll see that we have this link, the race car logo. We copy this. And there we go, this is the logo we got back. I want to get a different variation, so I'm gonna tell it to do it one more time. Now look, let me show you guys real quick. So look, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to add memory. So you can tell the AI to basically say, okay, I want to change this, I want to change that, instead of having to retype the whole prompt. So all you have to do is just add the Windows buffer memory here. So let's go ahead and click memory, and then click window buffer memory. Once you add that in here, right now we're using a chat trigger node. If you guys want to watch my other tutorials, if you want to use a different trigger, like connecting it to another workflow, make sure you guys go and watch that. But for now, we're going to leave it as is. It's all you have to do if you guys are using this chat trigger node. So now it's going to basically be able to remember our past conversations. So now if I go ahead and retry this, because I didn't have this here previously, it's not going to remember what I said. So we're just going to go ahead and say this one more time. Let's say stylish red gradients. Send that through one more time. Now it's running through. And it's basically going to be going through this again. Because I didn't click run once, it's not showing us. But again, while it's doing that, let's go here and show you how to set up your API key. So all you would have to do is basically only thing you have to change is change this right here. This API key that you see on the screen. I'm going to have it blurred out, of course. But change your API key where it says authorization value. So to get this, all you have to do is go to Hugging Face. Go to huggingface.co. What you're going to want to do is just go to settings or billing. So once you're on billing, you want to go ahead and click access tokens and just create a new token. You can create one for free. This is not a paid program. And once you have your API key, you're just going to go back to your make workflow and paste it into here after the word bearer. Make sure you don't replace the word bearer. If you just did this node, this trigger node, and this HTTP request to basically generate the logo and then added this response here, it would basically just give you the actual file data back. But because we typically want to deal with images as an online host, like an online link that we can easily be able to view on any platform, this is why we add in this ImageBB connection. So all you have to do is go to Google ImageBB API, create an API key, add that in here. Extremely simple. Airtable is the same concept, but you have to create a table. In my other tutorial, I showed you guys how to create a basic Airtable. It's extremely simple. Go make sure you go watch that. But for here, all you have to do is if you don't want to deal with Airtable, you can just delete this and you'll still be able to have a functioning app. All you got to do is go ahead and all you have to do is make sure that this URL is linked up to this ImageBB, or if you take out the ImageBB and you just want the file data, you make sure that the response from here is sent into the webhook response. So that's basically the bare bones of it. If you guys want this template, again, this is for free in my community. If you guys want the full motion assistant where you can run this through Telegram like I show you guys in my videos, then make sure you guys join the community to be able to get access to all my. So now let's check back and see our image that we got back from the AI. So this is a logo that we just got back. And again, I want to enhance it even more. So all I'm going to do is adjust the system prompt a little bit. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click AI agent. Then I'm going to go and adjust the system prompt. Say, enhance all prompts to generate stylish, professional logos. So now it's going to stylize the prompts more because that was just basic. It's just giving me basic prompts. So let's just click save. And remember, because I added this memory here, I can go ahead and reference this back. I don't have to type in the same prompt. I say, no, stylize it more, making it more vibrant and eye-catching. So as you can see, it's submitting those changes and it knows what I'm talking about. Just check this memory here and basically allow, and then it called the logo generation tool. So now it's just, again, going through that make.com workflow here. Again, you're not going to see it unless you click run once. And once it's done, it's going to send that response back here, basically in a link format. So boom, that's even better. The more you play with this prompt, the more stylized you get with the prompts, the better responses you're going to get. But I just showed you guys how to generate logos for free. Everything I showed you, you can do for free. This agent you can set up for free. All these APIs you can get for free. So if you guys want this free template, make sure you join the free community and get access to it. There's no excuses anymore. You can have AI doing the work for you, family. And again, if you want access to full templates like this, as well as our full Discord with a whole bunch of different resources to teach you how to make money, as well as the basics of AI agents, as well as access to my full specialized course on building these automations and AI agents with access to all the templates. Make sure you guys join in the link in the bio. Secure your spot in the AI Gold Rush.